Today we're going to bring a digital recorder. Now, as a content creator, and if I'm going on the field, I want to make sure I capture the audio twice. You want to capture those moments where there's no other takes. This is the one take. They got the audio 3.5 to 3.5, the USB type C to type A. A lot of people have for interviews. You want to clip this on yourself. And then you plug it into the actual jacket that's included in there, and that's pretty much it. The audio goes in here and also the mic. So if you want to listen to what you're hearing, then you can do that. All right, so it's clipped on right now. So we're going to record. We're going to turn it on first, all right? So turn it on, hit the power button, hold it down, and it's going to say welcome. We're going to record on line 1. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So we're going to test this, but as you can see, it's recording the actual audio. I'm going to stop it now, and then we're going to save it. Save, all right? And then we're going to play it. I can hear it now. So let's put the volume up. So you could record in different modes. Very simple. Now, I like that they give you the attachment. Now, let me show you some of the parts that you can do on the computer, right? Let's plug it into the computer so you can see it. All right, I'm going to plug in directly to the system in here, to the USB. So right now we have it right here, and it saves as a wave in the actual format. But from here, you can open it with different devices. So we're going to open it with audio, music. Test 1 2 3, test, test, test. So if you're doing audio interviews, you can use the system itself, or you could use the actual microphone. Let me tap on it so you guys can hear it. And I'm going to play it back right now because. All right, so I'm going to open a Microsoft Word, all right? And I'm going to show you a couple of scenarios. So I'm going to put this in my desktop so you can see it here. It's on my desktop right now. We're going to go ahead and close this part out. We're going to bring in Word. And on Word, it's very simple. You go home. So what you need to do is go here where you see dictate and you transcripts, right? Add to document and just text. So that was something you go import into your Word. Right now, it's actually picking up every word I say, but you go import everything into Word and it will transcript too. So from audio to Word, it's very simple. There's other different formats. We're not going to save it. Right now, we have it directly connected, but there's various different ways of actually importing, exporting your audio into your computer and then translate it into something else. It's very simple. Fits in any kind of pockets, you know, and this, look at this, look how small it is. So if you guys are looking for a nice, beautiful recorder to take with you anywhere, easy to use, I hope you guys enjoy the video.